guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your fidget spinner and get all the rust, if it has rust, or if your fidget spinner is not spinning. This is how to fix it, and this will work with, all you need is some baking soda and some water in a bowl. And then you're going to take some baking soda and basically just put some in there. That was a bit much. And just swirl your fingers around in it. And don't worry, this isn't harmful to your hands. And then you can just let these sit for not even a minute. Just like 30 seconds, 15 seconds. No crazy amount. And then you just want to brush the rust off. And you can see, actually, you may not be able to see, but these look very clean right now. And so, now that you have these bearings like this, rust is basically able to just be brushed off, like so. And as you'll see, you get cleaner, better bearings. And so you just want to scrub around it and then dip in the water. Make sure you get all the parts where rust can be. And basically, you have clean bearings. So do that for all three of them. You can let it sit in the water for longer after you clean one. And just scrub at it. And with your toothbrush, highly recommend a toothbrush. Do not use the toothbrush that you regularly use because you'll never be able to use it again. Especially because even if you deep clean out the toothbrush, I don't recommend you use I don't recommend you use the clean toothbrushes in your mouth because that's very unhealthy. And then once you have all the bearings basically clean, just want to scrub at them all again. And stir out with some water, and then dry them. So to dry them, I'm just gonna get a dirty shirt. Once you have your cleaning item, or drying item, you just want to dry it off in the shirt. Oops. But yeah, guys, you just want to dry it off in the shirt like that. There. And then you just want to dry all of them off and make sure you rub them with your hand and dry it all the way through, and then dry the last one. And this cleans all your bearings, but it's still, this part mainly needs to be cleaned. This is the part that prevents your fidget spinner from spinning regularly. Is the fact that it'll stop really fast because it has rust in it. So what you want to do is just let that sit in water with the baking soda. You can just swish it around a bit. And mainly this part you kind of just want to let sit in there for a second. Give it maybe a good like 10-20 seconds and let that settle in. And just roll around the water a bit. Spin the thing in the water. And then, guys, once you let it settle a bit, now you can use this toothbrush and then just kind of scrub at it like that. And apparently, when you search this up on Google, it works. Because now, fidget spinner can spin kind of without stopping that fast. So if it still doesn't spin as long as it should, again, just keep scrubbing. And then the bearing, all those bearings and stuff, you want to put them back in your fidget spinner because that's what makes weight so that it can spin longer and faster. And then you just want to dry this off with your cloth or dirty shirt, which I'm using a dirty shirt because, well, I don't want to use a cloth. So, it's a shirt I've already worn, it's not even dirty, but anyway, just want to clean like that, and then make sure you dry it all off, and there, you have this part now done. So now, just dump all your water out the bin. Rinse the bin out. Put your toothbrush and stuff away. And baking soda, put that away too. And let's get to the assembly part. Okay guys, so once you have all your pieces together, you just want to press in the bearings into the fidget spinner, like so. And it should be pretty easy to pop in. And it might be a bit challenging to pop them out once you have them in. And then just put that in. And there you have a fully assembled fidget spinner. And it actually spins. It spins very well. And it doesn't stop that fast like it used to. So, yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's a very easy life hack to do. And without further ado, let's end the video.